Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by entering the base value, because the Ti-30xa evaluates left to right. Press the base, then the YX key, and then type the exponent. Once done, hit equals to get the result. If the base is negative or a sum, wrap it in parentheses to preserve order of operations. This method handles positive integer exponents immediately, so make sure to use the YX key rather than trying repeated multiplication manually. Continue by addressing non-integer exponents. For a negative exponent, type 1 divided by, open parentheses, enter the base YX, the positive exponent, close parentheses, then equals. For fractional exponents that represent roots, enter the reciprocal as the exponent. For example, enter base YX, 1 divided by 3, to compute the cube root. Make sure to wrap the fractional or negative exponent in parentheses, so the calculator parses it correctly and returns the intended value. Finish by verifying the result and clearing the display before the next calculation. Press C to avoid stray operators or leftover exponents. If you get unexpected answers, re-enter the expression with explicit parentheses, confirm the calculator isn't in any unusual mode, and replace the battery if the display flickers. As a key tip, store commonly used bases or exponents with the memory keys to speed repeated work and ensure consistency across calculations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.